Penny Penguin and the Silly Hiccups. One chilly, sparkly morning, a tiny penguin named Penny waddled happily across the snowy ice. The bright sun made the snow sparkle like tiny diamonds. Little snowflakes floated gently through the air. Friendly seals splashed in the icy water. Happy puffins flew overhead. It was a perfect day for a yummy breakfast. She smiled. This is going to be delicious. She sat on a smooth little iceberg. She opened her beak, and just as she was about to take her very first bite... Oh! Penny blinked. What was that? She looked all around. Nobody was there. She shrugged. Maybe it was the wind. She lifted her fish again. The fish bounced right out of her flippers. It landed on a fluffy snowball, then rolled down a tiny snowy hill. "Wait for me!" giggled Penny. She hurried after it. But whoops! Her tiny feet slipped. Slip, slide, spin, plop! She landed softly on her fluffy little tummy. Instead of crying, Penny started laughing. Just then, Benny the baby seal popped out of the water. "What happened?" he asked. "My hiccups are chasing my breakfast," laughed Penny. Benny clapped his flippers. "Your hiccups are funny," Penny giggled. The hiccup made her hop into the air. Now she spun around. Even the little snowflakes seemed to dance with her. Soon Lucy the little puffin flew down. She landed beside Penny. "What are you two laughing about?" "My silly hiccups," Penny giggled. Lucy smiled. "I know something that might help." "What is it?" asked Penny. "Let's stay calm. Take one slow, deep breath." She breathed in. She held it for a moment, then slowly breathed out. Everyone waited. "No hiccup." Penny smiled. "I think it worked." Just then, Benny rolled over laughing. Lucy laughed too. Even Penny laughed so hard that she almost hiccuped again. Instead of worrying, Benny had a funny idea. "Let's make a hiccup hop game." Every time Penny hiccups, we all hop. Everyone cheered. "Yay!" Penny hiccuped. Soon all the little penguins, baby seals, puffins, and even a fluffy little snow bunny joined in. The snowy ice became one giant giggle party. They hopped, they twirled, they clapped, they laughed. The more they laughed, the smaller Penny's hiccups became. Almost gone. Then, nothing. The hiccups had disappeared. Hooray! Everyone cheered. Penny picked up her shiny fish once again. This time, she sat quietly. She smiled. She took one slow little bite. No more hiccups! Everyone clapped their flippers. "Yay, Penny!" The little friends spent the rest of the morning sliding across the snow. They built funny snow penguins. They made snow angels. They played hide and seek behind icy rocks. They laughed until the stars began to twinkle in the evening sky. As Penny looked up at the sparkling stars, she smiled. Sometimes little surprises become the funniest adventures. Everyone giggled together. Moral of the story is a happy smile and a good laugh can make little problems feel much smaller. Yay! You laughed with Penny Penguin. If you had fun, give this video a big thumbs up and tap subscribe. Boop, boop, boop. Come back soon for more fun adventures. Waddle, wobble, giggle. Bye-bye.